and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top headlines. Postpone NEET PG_Moti ji, doctors launch Twitter storm. While the Union Health Ministry has dismissed the chances of getting NEET PG 2022 postponed, the aspirants of the postgraduate medical entrance examination are not ready to take no for an answer, and they have now approached Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this regard. Urging the Prime Minister to defer the examination, the doctors are trending the hashtag postpone NEET PG_Modi ji on Twitter. This came after the doctors under the umbrella of Federation of All India Medical Association announced a Twitter storm for deferring the exam and requested all the aspirants to use the same hashtag. The candidates are demanding to defer the examination on the ground that the exam date, which is scheduled on 21st May, is clashing with the dates for NEET PG 2021 counselling. Paxlovid not to be included in national treatment guidelines for COVID-19, says ICMR. Pfizer's antiviral drug Paxlovid is not going to be included in the national treatment guidelines for COVID-19. Confirmation to this effect was recently made by the experts from the Indian Council of Medical Research, who said that the Apex Medical Authority has not found a compelling reason to include the drug in the national treatment of guidelines for COVID-19. Members of ICMR's National Task Force on COVID-19 had met last week to discuss the matter but did not find merit in the drug's inclusion in the national treatment guidelines for COVID-19. The current evidence did not merit the inclusion of Paxlovid in the treatment guidelines, and the existing guidelines stand valid, said Samiran Panda, head of epidemiology and infectious diseases at ICMR. She also added that the experts are awaiting data from ongoing trials and will review it further as data comes. As of now, the current evidence does not support its inclusion, but there are trials which are undergoing and we are waiting for more data and will review it again. Can National Medical Commission Board cancel MBBS PG medical student admission? Rajasthan High Court to decide. The Rajasthan High Court is all set to consider the question if the Medical Assessment and Rating Board of the National Medical Commission has the authority to cancel admission of students in various undergraduate and postgraduate medical courses. Such a crucial question came up for consideration before the High Court bench comprising of Justice Vijay Bishnoi when several medical colleges approached the court and challenged the recommendations made by MARB of NMC for withdrawal of letter of permission and cancellation of admission in the UG and PG courses for the academic year 2021 and 2022. Doctor issues certificate for parole. Karnataka High Court directs Medical Council to probe. The Karnataka High Court has directed the Indian Medical Council to conduct an inquiry to check into the medical certificate issued by the managing director of a private hospital to a convict who mandated his presence in the hospital to look after his mother. The mother of the convict is reported to be admitted in the hospital for treatment. According to recent media reports, the order was passed by a single judge bench of Justice Suresh Govindraj, who dismissed the petition filed by the convict, questioning the endorsement issued by the prison authorities and seeking directions for release on parole. The convict Vasudeva alias Vasu was lodged in Bangalore Central Prison and sought a release on parole for 15 days based on the medical certificate. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.